Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly you have to go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Do Not Disturb. By tapping it once you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it you can access some of its settings. For example, you can add exceptions for this mode. It could be like conversations, calls, messages. It could be apps, it could be alarms and other interruptions like media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, calendar events. And you can also set up a schedule for this mode. Like you can change name of this schedule, you can select days on which it will be active, you can select start time, end time of this schedule, you can set alarm to override end time of the Do Not Disturb mode. Also you have in advanced, you can set up default duration of Do Not Disturb mode, and you can also hide notifications. You can hide only sound notifications, or you can hide sound and visual notifications. So yeah, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.